Hey folks, it's Amy, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the remote server. It is finally up and running, and we're pretty excited about this opportunity for you. So in a little bit, I'll be sending you an announcement with a link, and the link will direct you to this site right here. With this site, you are going to click the Adobe Virtual Lab, and once you're in there, you have to remember to always type in WITC lowercase backwards slash, and then your student ID number, and then your password that you're using to log into the systems at WITC. Once that happens, now I'm using Google Chrome, and that tends to be the best browser for this right now, but it's a Microsoft product, so I'm sure Edge and Internet Explorer would work as well. You just click on that new opening link. You're going to say connect, and again, you will have to authenticate in with your password. And it shouldn't take too terribly long. So I'm just going to pause it for a moment. Once you get here, you are going to have to say accept and OK. And then you may have to authenticate in once again, but your name should be there just like normal. And I just want to talk you a little bit through on how to get to the software and where to save. So this looks just like another desktop. So what's usually most confusing to my students is that this is a virtual desktop, but they might also have a second monitor and there's another desktop running behind it, which would be the one on your machine. So this is just kind of that virtual environment that's replicating what a desktop would look like. To access the software, you come down here to the Windows button or your Start menu. Whoops. Thinking about it, and all the Adobe products will be here. You can open them and away you go. Now, a few ways to save and submit are as follows. You start working in Photoshop, InDesign, you name it. You can open up a browser and save it up to your OneDrive. You can then go to that OneDrive and upload it to Blackboard. You can save it to the PC, which again is this virtual one, but you'll see that I have my H drive here. You should have that. Or you can save it to the documents, and you should be able to get access to this. You cannot put a flash drive in and save it there. So what I would tell you to do is to save it to the documents, but to be extra safe, also save it up to your OneDrive that is associated with your email. So that being said, this is how you will access the remote server. I'm just going to close this. And then when you're done, you must right-click on the Start button and say Shut Down or Sign Out. So I'm going to sign out, and that will be the end of your session. We hope. Let me pause here for a moment. There we go. I just have to give it a little time. So once you sign out, it will come back to where you originally came in. So that's the remote desktop server. If you're experiencing issues, please contact us and we'll work with the technicians to get everything resolved. All right, so happy this is here. I hope it's a resource that you'll use. Thanks.